Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah and welcome to my channel. You know I'm a versatile person and I have lots of creative stuff that I'm interested in and I offer as services. So yeah, and I'm really sorry. I guess in my previous videos there was an issue with the voice, and I tried with another headphone and I'm still getting I'm still getting the same disturbance. So I'm trying without any instrument, that is mic and all. I just hope that the voice is louder because I'm purposely trying to. Alright, so now we come to one of my favorite cards. I love home. That is house, home. It literally means a house, the place that you live in, the property. It means the life or your private affairs. It also embodies your home where you live in, that is your soul living in the body. So home is usually a positive card, and it can again be related to an enterprise as well. So as ship is related to self-employment, a home can also be related to enterprise, work related stuff. It also speaks to me as security. I have not read it anywhere, but I feel whenever I'm talking about home, it makes me feel about security. So you may want to add in your journal or the book for Lenormand learning, which is the basic meaning. So this is it for now in regards to home, and it's usually a positive card because I might have forgotten about telling you the ship as a negative and positive both. The card home or house is usually a positive card. So anyway, that is my take on this. See you in the next card, and I hope that this time you're able to listen to me or hear me better. Bye.